there's way more than we're ever gonna need. I just have to go through all the stuff up here and then take everything out of here. This is actually now the next day. I mean, it's not like it's like the prettiest looking thing, but it's something. Cleaned all of those out. This is all the collection of cups, like glass cups, mugs, plastic cups, all of them. Yeah, there's way more than we're ever gonna need. Now, I know I have a little box over here that I'm gonna put all this stuff in for right now that I'm gonna get rid of because we have like 5 million coffee cups for no reason and we don't need any of them. So yeah, I'm just going to sort through this and get rid of this if I don't need. So far that one's empty. All the coffee cups. And then all of just like the plastic and glass cups, like our regular everyday cup. Over here is the box. So I'm gonna have to like wrap all of it up because most of it's like breakable. But yeah, all of like the coffee cups I don't use, like the ones that are too small. And just I had so many glass cups that I'm never gonna use. Now we're gonna tackle this cabinet. We only really use like what's on this bottom shelf, and I always have a hard time getting to low stuff. Plus the down here is like her bowls and stuff. So I kind of want to like organize this. I know I'm not going to really get rid of the plates, but I figure I could stick them up there now that I have room. So I'm just going to be shifting a couple things around and then I'm going to show you like the end result. So here is what it looks like. I was able to get both of our stuff on the second shelf, but it's just fine. We can still reach that. And I just moved some of the extra plates and cups up there, or plates and bowls up there. And then I am gonna get rid of these ones. I have a bunch of them and my mom has the same set, so I think I might see if she wants them. I keep all of our Tupperware in this corner over here, so I'm just going to take it all out and stick all of it with our blender bottles all over here for right now and on top of here, just so I can sort through it, and then I'm going to see what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to not keep. Okay, so I brought it all over here and I sorted through a little bit of it. I just have to go through all the stuff up here and then take everything out of here and kind of see what is in here, because I don't even know. What I have going so far. These two over here, I have to find out from KJ if he still wants to keep those. These ones, you'll notice I have them upstairs. I use them as like little like containers to store things in, so that's why there's like extra lids. Like if you watch any of my videos in the bathroom, you'll know I keep some of my stuff in these ones. So that's, I'm still holding on to these and the lids. And then I'm keeping all of my Rubbermaid set. Back there is just a couple more bigger ones, which are always good to have on hand. And then this is the other cup situation we have going on. So I didn't put anything back yet. And then, like I said, these are ones over here that aren't ours. They have to go back to who they belong to. And then this I'm getting rid of. So all of these little ones in here, like I never use any of these. So they haven't moved since we moved in, and it's been a year now. So now I just gotta figure out how I wanna put this all back in here so that I can reach all of it. Of the cabinet all done. Everything's in here. These are the ones we use the most. We use this Rubbermaid ones the most, and then I have the shaker bottles up top. I wanted to get a Lazy Susan, but two of them are like way too big, so unless I can figure out how to move these shelves, yeah, I'm gonna have to look into that, because I would really like to be able to put like a Lazy Susan in there. Then I can like turn it around and get whatever I needed. Same thing with probably the Rubbermaid. That might work too. So yeah, I'll have to play around with that, but I don't have one right now. I also packed up all of the stuff that I said I was gonna be getting rid of, so. Hi, this is actually now the next day. We had like family that were visiting, so I had to cut yesterday's cleaning session short. So I am going to get back to all of this. I don't even know what all of it is. So I thought a good idea to put in the black baskets was all of like my kind of like holiday or seasonal, like either dish towels, or I even have like the oven mitt. So I thought it would just be a good idea to have it in here, because then if Lo gets into it, it's not that big of a deal. Like same way I have all of her bibs in here. Like if she gets into the bibs, it's not that big of a deal. So I thought that would be something good to put in here instead of screwdrivers. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean out one of these, get this in here, put it in there. And then I also have my toolbox, and behind me, so I have this bag off to the side. I don't know if you can see, and it was like all stuff in like our little like, I guess, not island thing, but we have like drawers over there, and like they just collect, I don't even know what. And then I have like 5 million batteries. I also have our tool kit right here. So I kind of want to reorganize this stuff just a little bit. Still all of her bibs. This is all of that holiday stuff, all like the tea towels and stuff. And then this is just that little bit of a hodgepodge of a drawer. I have 3M clips, the safety plugs, like some office stuff, random stuff that it's easy to get to, and I'm pretty sure she'd be fine if she got into some of this stuff. This is the toolbox now. It's a little bit more organized. I have all like, you know, screwdrivers. I have a mini hammer, mini level, like box cutter, and then I just have all the different like nails, screws, Allen wrenches. I kept these in the boxes because they're fine like that and they fit in here good. And then this was all that hodgepodge. Like, I don't know if I ever randomly need something, I could kind of look in there, but that's just how I'm going to keep it for right now. And then just the regular screws that I've been using. Okay, and then in here, so this used to be in our utility closet, and it's going to go back in there too, and I'm going to try to fit that in there as well. But this just has all of the batteries, wood glue, WD-40, just like random stuff, and all of the dead batteries as well. This is a lot more organized as well. It just has the actual tools in it and one of the batteries. Okay, I'm down here now. I like started doing this and I was like, Patricia, you've been cleaning out your kitchen. You probably filmed this too. So I'm just going to show you what I quickly did. So let's pull out the one in the back first. So now these baskets, like I already have these, like I use them on like our TV stands, but I'm like trying to think of maybe like a different way to do it, because now Lowe's like trying to like grab at them and get into the stuff that's in there. So I already had a spare one in the utility closet, so I pulled that out for some reason. I was like, I had all of our sponges, like they were all in like the plastic, so I put all of our sponges that we use. I have my one little Mr. Clean, these random dusters, and my Swiffer duster, so that all like fit in here perfectly. So I'm going to stick that in the back. And then I also had in these two. So I have like just the Walmart version of trash bags, and I have the hefty. So I just took them out of the boxes because they were stacked like right here, which is fine, but it kind of like blocked a lot of the view. Like it wasn't like the best spot, but at least it was like easy access. So I took them out of their boxes. I put them into one of these. Like it doesn't fit like the best. Like I'll have to see if I have like another one that like maybe I could fit in here a little bit better, but I figured it works for right now. So I have the hefty one in the front and the Walmart one in the back. We use like the Walmart one if we have like extra trash that we need to take out on trash day. So I figured I could keep that here, and now you can still see in here like really well, and it kind of leaves a little bit more room because like, you know, your pipes and stuff like get in the way of everything. And I know a lot of people like use like plastic bins, but I don't really have any, and these kind of worked a little bit easier for me. So yeah, now I just have to deal with the rest of these products. Oh, and the cookie. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to refigure these in here a little bit better. Make sure that I got all of this. So, I mean, it's not like it's like the prettiest looking thing, but it's functional. So I have my all-purpose one in the front, and also the daily granite, and I just kept the degreaser one right behind it, so that's fine. And then the backup is behind all of them. And then we use Pine Sol to clean all of our floors since we have like hardwood floors. It smells amazing, pretty affordable. And yes, we buy like the massive one. Yeah, and I just have the soap and then just kind of a line back here of just products don't really use. And then I just have my Febreze fabric and the air spray, since you know we don't use this as much. And then my Swiffer all in a line, but I feel like you can see everything so much better now. I wish I would have had a before shot, but I did not think of that.